ITC, talk of the town. It is the most talked about stock in the whole stock market. Also, it is the most mocked stock in the market. What are the reasons for this? ITC has a lot of opinions shared from analysts, market participants, and to the fund manager community in recent past. The investors think that more people talk about a stock, it will go up. While what the sources thought was ITC is a long term business to be held for years. Today, mutual funds have ITC most in their portfolio, which they didn't have earlier. It is a jewel being available cheap today. It can be held for the greater time period because of the dividend yield, which is far greater than the FD returns. For most of the brands this company has, most are household names. Look at these brands. Ashirwad. Most of you will be using this brand in your household. Sunfeast in the biscuit segment, next to Britannia in the supermarkets. Also, it is commanding equal shelf space along with Britannia. Dark Fantasy. As far as I am concerned as a customer, there is no alternative for this product. Engage Deodorants. It has 11% of market share in deodorants. These, along with paper, packaging, hotels, and of course, their mainstay, cigarettes, which is a cash cow for them. Cigarette contributes 40% of ITC's profits and it is growing at 8% per annum. I had a friend who asked me what to do with ITC stock since it has gone down from 250 a year ago to 170 today. If I was in his place, I would have bought more. He said cigarette market is dropping, hotels are struggling. Cigarette is the business which commands die-hard habit patterns, whatever be the price. Demand continues to remain the same, if not high. Also, ITC never reduces its prices when some levy of taxes or duty is imposed. They transfer all of it to the customer, and the customer is happy to pay a high price. This business will continue to generate high profits for ITC. ITC is one of the crown jewels which is available at the price of coal. When a great business is available at a lesser price, let's grab it as much as possible. Now let's take a look at the financials. ITC has more than 20,000 crores of cash reserves in its books. This translates into 8 rupees per share on reserves alone, and it is growing at 2,000 crore per annum. In last year, ITC generated 15,000 crore profits. That means every share of ITC is earning 12 rupees as profits every year, which means one share of ITC is giving 3 paisa per share every day to its investors. For this, you need not do any work. The business of the company is so strong, profits keep generating themselves. ITC is growing at 7% per annum at an average. 10 years from now, profits that ITC is making will double. That is 15,000 crores to 30,000 crores. If you have 1000 shares of ITC, it means every day you would be having 68 rupees as your profits alone on your investment. Then why is it cheap? That is market dynamics. Low price can come for various reasons, and this happens for great companies at times. Let me give you an example. Hindustan Unilever between 2006 and 2010 was at 250 per share approximately. It was struggling to go up. Today it is 2000 per share, 8 times jump. That is 8 times jump in 10 years. Did that mean we stopped purchasing Cyril, Rexona products, Lifebuoy products, Close Up, or Brew Coffee in the early 2000s? No, right? It was just that market brought attractive valuations to the stock. Today it is as usual, expensive. These great businesses never come cheap. For example, Gillette, Procter & Gamble, or even Nestle. Market sometimes brings some of these stocks at cheap valuations. That is, smart investors grab to get into those great businesses. Those who have belief on this great business of ITC can invest and acquire them at cheap prices today. These are stocks to be held for long term. ITC is a pure generation stock. You can pass it as legacy to other generations. Think about when you will stop consuming atta or biscuits in your life. Then why not own a company which masters in selling these products? If someone is planning to buy ITC for a short term, they are making a mistake. The stock price will remain low for some more time. It will separate the men from the boys. For now, it is available at attractive valuations. Accumulate as much as you can.